Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge Ford e-Transit. Start by confirming your battery size and available range, then select the charger type that fits your routine. Use Level 1 for occasional trickle charging, Level 2 for daily convenience, and DC fast charging for long trips. Set charging windows to use off-peak electricity, and always plug in securely to avoid interruption or reduce charging speed. In this video, I will explain how to charge Ford e-Transit. For reliable daily charging, install a 240V Level 2 charger and use a certified electrician to confirm panel capacity. Program the vehicle or charger to charge overnight during off-peak hours to lower costs. Keep the charger and cable dry and clean, and park so the cord reaches the charging port without stretching or creating trip hazards. In this video, I will explain how to charge Ford e-Transit. When using public chargers, plan stops with compatible connectors and reliable network access. Plug in and confirm the charger session on your app, then monitor charging speed to avoid hold times at busy stations. If using DC fast charging, limit repeated sessions to protect battery health and aim for charging between 10% and 80% for best long-term performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.